Yo, I ain't here for the money, I ain't here for the fame. Though it might be nice to own a jet plane, I'ma do it all for you. Come along and see it's true, but the world is pretty cool.
What's up, what's up? I'm your builder guy, and today we're back on the Mustang, the ecoboost beauty over here. We got to replace this quarter panel. We got some damage to the knuckle. We got some damage here to the front. And I started looking for parts, and I realized that buying parts was not the most financially wise decision. So what I ended up doing was buying a parts car. We got the interior kind of stripped down here, got these seats out because they needed the airbags replaced in them. So what I ended up doing, I went to the auction and I bought another Mustang for parts. I bought a 2016 Mustang GT. Here she is. And one of the main reasons why I went with a GT is because I could return more money quicker because of the 5.0. And this does have the manual transmission. And on this car, the damage was to the front left. Look how bad that rail is yeeted. I would definitely replace a quarter panel over a front rail because look at that. That doesn't look good. This engine does run. Here's a video of it. So I'll be able to make some money back on it. So here we got the wheels. This is actually one of the main reasons why I bought the car, is because I was looking for these wheels and I could not find them anywhere. So screw it, bought the whole entire car. We have a good rear bumper. We got a good quarter panel. This side looks really good as well. And even the fender is savable. But the most important part is inside here. And that's because the airbags are in perfect shape, except for the driver's side and the knee airbag. But what I was concerned about was the top and the seats. So we got that done, knocked out. All we have to do now is pull the parts, sell some of these parts, make our money back, and then repair the orange one. Because, you know, a cool EcoBoost, the big old turbo, is also really cool. I mean, I was thinking about saving this 5.0, but the damage was just too great. All right, let's get this engine out and start working on the orange EcoBoost. The goal today is to get it running under its own power. Engine is out, interior is gutted, doors are off, trunk is off, rear suspension's on the floor. Next step is cutting out this rear quarter panel. Let's get it. panel's off, engine is out, car is complete, ready to be scrapped. Probably gonna take that carpet out. Everything's looking good. We sold the diff on the weekend, so that was a good thing. Look at this. Nice. Came out better than expected. So definitely a usable quarter panel. Look on the inside here on these frame rails. This thing is toast. So no matter what, we'd have to pull this engine out anyways to fix that frame rail if I wanted to ever do it. But in this case, it is not worth the headache. This side as well, all the way up to the firewall. And yeah, I wouldn't want to drive this or sell this to anybody after this kind of damage. So the engine is sold with the transmission. It's the full swap. We're packaging it up and it's on its way to Norway. With this sale, we paid off the parts car. So we got free headliner, curtain airbags, seats, a whole bunch of other parts. Oh, most importantly was that rear subframe. We also sold the orange bumper to keep the gray one because it was a little bit in better condition. Also, I got these headlights I traded for the radio out of the GT. So all in all, definitely a good deal. Saved a whole bunch of money. Got a whole bunch of parts still left to sell. So definitely a win-win. Got the ecoboost in. Started working on the rear suspension and it's not looking too good. The subframe may need to be changed out, which is unfortunate. We have a little bend there. If we're not going to be able to get good alignment, we're going to have to swap it out, which is a pain in the butt. We also got this quarter glass out and this one is loose as well. Let me show you. Hopefully I don't bust it. So that one's ready to go. We're going to go ahead and change up the plans a little bit. Because I can't move it, we're going to start cutting this quarter panel out and then possibly welding it here as well. So we may not see it rolling in this episode, but at least we'll have a quarter panel on, right? So win-win. Let's get her done. Quick update on the Mustang. We got all the little front end pieces ready, good to go. You saw the quarter panel being removed, and here's the new one already on. Well, not really. That is how it's coming together, boys. I'm gonna take this thing off real quick and I'm gonna show you what it looks like underneath after beating on it for a little bit. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to record too much on this, but look at that. The guy that's doing this is just quick. He plays no games. This is really fast. Yeah, let's check out what it looks like underneath. Look at that. This took him literally 30 minutes. Beautiful. Look at that. She's almost done. On the next episode, we're gonna get this thing mounted up, welded up, and hopefully painted and on the road. We also got lug nuts. We got the lug nuts off finally. It took us a couple days to find the bolt, the nut actually, because we couldn't find it anywhere, and we finally got the wheels off. Alrighty, that's it. I will see you in the next one when we mount up these beautiful wheels. Peace out.